Ever wondered how computers can now recognize faces, understand speech, and even create art? Welcome to the fascinating world of deep learning architecture. Imagine your brain's neural networks, but supercharged with artificial intelligence. How do these complex systems actually work? Deep learning goes beyond basic neural networks by implementing multiple layers of processing, each specialized in detecting different patterns and features. But what makes these architectures so powerful? Think of it as a hierarchy. The first layers detect simple patterns like edges and colors, while deeper layers combine these to recognize complex objects and concepts. How does this layered approach revolutionize AI capabilities? These architectures use specialized components like convolutional layers for image processing, recurrent layers for sequential data, and attention mechanisms for focusing on relevant information. Want to know what makes modern deep learning truly exceptional? The key lies in how these networks learn and adapt through backpropagation, automatically adjusting millions of parameters to improve their performance. Deep learning architectures can now handle tasks that were once thought impossible for machines. For a deeper dive into this fascinating field, check out 1. Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow. 2. Stanford's CS231N course on convolutional neural networks. 3. Papers on AR-Shiv about transformer architectures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. We release new AI and quantum computing content daily.